Hey guys, this is Tanya from the I Can Do English Academy, and today I have two common phrasal verbs for you. The first verb is set out and the second one is follow through. Let me give you some context first. So every year, many of us make New Year's resolutions. We make promises for the next year. So we set out to do different things. For example, lose weight, practice English, exercise, you name it. But unfortunately, we often fail to follow through on our promises. So we start working on our goals, right? And then we give up. Does that sound familiar? Alright, so let's look at our phrasal verbs in detail. So the first phrasal verb is to set out. Set out.
She set out to sabotage my daughter in her first week of school.
We haven't accomplished everything we set out to do.
So to set out to do something means to make plans to do something or start doing something in order to achieve a particular result. For example, Mona and I set out to build our own house. He set out to build a dating app for quarantine college students. And the second phrasal verb is to follow through.
This is our chance to finally follow through on something.
I really wanted you to follow through on your resolutions.
So to follow through means to complete an activity or process that has been started, or to do what was promised. For example, if you told Jess you would help her move, then you need to follow through. I found it hard to follow through on my New Year's resolutions. Jackson's problem is that he never follows through with all his ambitious projects. That's it for today, guys. So can you think of an example from your life when you set out to do something and you managed to follow through on it? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you found it useful, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.